Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to Dazonn Technologies. I'm Dazonn, and today, we're delving into a topic that's at the core of every successful YouTube video, script writing. Whether you're running a tech channel, a lifestyle vlog, or anything in between, a well-crafted script can make all the difference. Stick around, as we unfold the secrets to writing scripts that captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. How to write scripts for YouTube video. Section 1. The Art of Scriptwriting. So, what exactly is script writing, and why does it matter? Well, think of your script as the blueprint for your video. It's the roadmap that guides you from the opening scene to the grand finale. A well-written script not only helps you stay organized but also ensures your message is clear and impactful. Let's break down the essentials of the art of script writing. Section 2. Understanding your audience. Knowing your audience is half the battle. Before you start typing away, take some time to understand who you are creating for. What are their interests? What problems do they need solving? By tailoring your script to resonate with your audience, you'll create content that speaks directly to them. It's all about forging a connection. Section 3. Structuring your script. Now that you know your audience, let's talk structure. A well-structured script often follows the 3-act formula: setup, confrontation, and resolution. This framework provides a natural flow to your content, keeping your viewer engaged from start to finish. We'll explore each act and share pro tips for a seamless narrative. Section 4. Writing engaging intros. First impressions matter, especially on YouTube. Your intro sets the tone for the entire video. Learn the art of crafting intros that grab attention and make viewers eager to see what's next. Stick around as we dissect successful intros and discuss techniques to make yours shine. Section 5. Crafting compelling outros. It's not just about how you start, it's also about how you finish. The outro is your chance to leave a lasting impression and encourage viewer interaction. We'll explore different outro styles, from call to action prompts to end screens, ensuring your audience is primed for the next video or engagement. Section 6. The power of voiceover. Ever wondered why some videos feel like a conversation with a friend? The secret often lies in the voiceover. Whether you are narrating a documentary-style video or injecting personality into a vlog, mastering the art of voiceover adds a powerful layer to your content. We'll share tips on finding your voice and delivering scripts with impact. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to scripting your YouTube videos. From understanding your audience to crafting compelling intros and outros, script writing is an art that can be mastered with practice. Experiment, have fun, and watch your content evolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for watching.